मुझे याद है उसका पहला जो एग्जीबिशन था, जब वो सिल्वर ज्वेलरी करती थी, उसका पहला जो एग्जीबिशन था, अभी तक मैं वो इयरिंग्स पहनती हूँ. सो आई हैव बीन हर आर्डेंट सपोर्टर तब से अब तक. आई लव द स्टफ दैट शी डज. इट्स वेरी फेमिनिन, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, एंड यू नो शी ऑलवेज कम्स अप विद समथिंग न्यू. जब भी आप सोचते हो कि हाँ देख लिया है सब कुछ, Shaheen comes up with something else, which is why I always make it a point to come to anything that Shaheen does.
Pick up some rocks.
Actually, that I should have brought my husband with me if he was supposed to pick up some rocks. But thoda bahut, at least if not pick up, you know, maybe look at them and see which one's good enough, and then go or take a photograph and show it to him and say, go and pick this one for me.
Now, there's just one thing I want to ask you. Digressing a little bit from fashion and jewelry, I know you're here to support your friend, but just one thing that I
Sure.
want to ask you. The censorship issue. You know,
Yes.
You've been a part of so many films. You're an integral part of the industry, and it's going absolutely berserk.
Yes.
You know, Mr. Nilani actually came forward and said that, who is the CBFC chief? He said that, you know, I ordered cuts without watching the movie.
Yes.
When he was talking about Spectre.
Yes.
Where he cut the long kissing scene.
Yes.
short.
Yes.
What are your feelings about it?
I really think, I think, you know, censorship really, they need a little bit of a wake-up call is definitely needed. Because why, you know, when you're cutting a movie was made with a picture in mind. You know, the director's viewpoint, the scriptwriter's viewpoint, and you put that on film. That is what a movie is about getting that whole story and showing what was written over there. If you're cutting all of those things, you know, and people can argue that it's you know, about kissing and it's about sex or whatever. We do that in our bedrooms, we do that in our own homes, you know, so what's the big deal? India has woken up now and has started showing kissing. I mean, we have our own stars kissing and stuff in films, so I don't see any reason why we can't show that. Nobody's asking you to show any sort of porn, or you know, I do understand our culture and everything, and in keeping with that, yes, you shouldn't go ahead and show, you know, scenes which are really hardcore or anything like that. But in keeping with the movie, in keeping with the storyline, I think we have every right to show our audiences what was the director's you know, mindset when he made that movie.
I mean, Mr. Nilani is going a little overboard. Do you feel somewhere, because we've been talking to so many filmmakers,
Yes.
so many people from the
Yes.
industry, and they all are of the opinion that this is going a little too far.
It is going a little too far. Of course, I mean, I think a few of the newer movies as well. One has been hearing that there's one movie that I'm dying to watch, Angry Indian Goddesses, and I'm just keeping fingers, toes, and everything else crossed, because there will be, they say, censorship issues because of language, etc. And I just hope to God that movies like that, which are a wake-up call for Indian cinema, you know, which we should be so proud of, you know. And it's a movie, you watch it, you forget about it just by listening to a few bad words. It's not going to change the world, frankly speaking. So I think, you know.
आजकल एक मुद्दा इंटॉलरेंस को लेकर चल रहा है, जिसका भी स्टेटमेंट आमिर खान ने दिया कि उनकी फिल्म चाहते तो है वो देश छोड़ के चले जाएं और दूसरे देश में रहें. तो कई रिएक्शन दिया है. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इंडिया को कितना इंटॉलरेंट मानते हैं?
वेल, इंटॉलरेंस बोले तो आई मीन कहीं ना कहीं हम सब में इंटॉलरेंस है ही, बट सब पे डिपेंड होता है व्हाट यू वांट टू टॉलरेट, व्हाट यू डोंट वांट टू. आई मीन अगर देश छोड़ के जाने की बात है तो यू नो दैट इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ओन माइंड सेट. इफ़ यू फील अमेरिका इज़ बेटर, यू फील इंग्लैंड इज़ बेटर, यू नो. आई यूज्ड टू लिव इन इंग्लैंड, आई केम बैक टू लिव इन दिस कंट्री. आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी फॉर व्हाट इट हैज़ गिवन मी. जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मुझे यहाँ मिली है उधर नहीं मिली मुझे, यू नो. स्पेशली 7 साल के बाद जब मैं वापस आई, आई वॉज वेलकम विद ओपन आर्म्स. तो देर आर सो मैनी एडवांटेजेस टू दिस कंट्री. हाँ, डिसएडवांटेजेस भी है जिसके लिए लोग बोलते हैं ऐसे इंटॉलरेंस और यू नो जाना चाहिए इधर. बट ऑल दैट इज़ आई थिंक यू नो इमोशनल बातें.
आपको लगता है कि जो एक साल में सरकार जब से बनी, मोदी सरकार, तब से इस तरह की घटनाएं हो रही हैं रेगुलर,
हाँ,
कुछ है इंटॉलरेंट जो लोगों को लग रहा है?
घटनाएं तो हुई है डेफिनेटली, बट जब भी पावर चेंज होता है, यू नो, देयर विल बी अदर चेंजेस, यू नो. कॉल इट इंटॉलरेंस, कॉल इट वॉट एवर एल्स, बट देयर विल बी अदर चेंजेस. एंड आई थिंक हम पे डिपेंड होता है कि हम लोग उसे कैसे एक्सेप्ट करें या एक्सेप्ट ना करें, और अगर एक्सेप्ट ना करें उसके बारे में करें क्या. You know, I think it's up to each individual, and I think we're all educated people who need to stand up and kind of take a stand about it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
वेरी मच. आई लव हर ज्वेलरी, सो मैं यहाँ पर आज आई हूँ शाहीन को सपोर्ट करने. मेरा हर पीस मेमोरेबल है क्योंकि मैं इतना सोच समझ के देख भाल के ख़रीदती हूँ कि मेरे हर ज्वेलरी के पीस आर वेरी स्पेशल टू मी. अभी मैं शायद
तो आपका गोल ज़्यादा प्रेफर करोगे या डायमंड?
आइदर डिपेंड्स ओकेजन पे.
Yeah, me too.
Adishri ma'am, how do you feel coming here? You're supporting a friend, a very dear friend.
Yes.
Looking at her new collection.
I think Shaheen is always delicately, intricately there. Shaheen has always been a designer that very delicately and intricately does her work. This is not the first time that I'll be looking at her collection. I think I brought some lovely pieces from her when she first started her flower collection, which was excellent. I still have those pieces, which are very, very lovely. In fact, even when I wear them now, I have got loads of compliments coming. So I guess today when she's here at Guyana, I think I'm going to pick up something really nice.
Adishri ma'am, we want to ask you something a little not so related to fashion or jewelry. Ma'am, there's this growing debate about surrounding intolerance and Amir.
Just here. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.
एक साथ में